Hello and welcome back to Solving the Money Problem. Today we will talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular word nowadays, but still, if you are wondering what this term means, along with how to earn from it, then you've come to the right place. Hey, guys, today we will be diving into a pool full of Bitcoin. So, let's start swimming then. Understanding Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not an easy term to understand. First, you should know what the terms cryptocurrency and blockchain mean, and then you will fully understand the concept of Bitcoin. What is cryptocurrency? First, let's talk about cryptocurrency. It is referred to as digital currency. Here digital means computerized, and well, you know what currency means. In other words, digital currency means virtual money. So, how does it work? That's an important and main question. Well, cryptocurrency is in the form of a computer network that is distributed around the globe, meaning that transactions are made by nobody but thousands of different computers. So, why people are using cryptocurrency other than the almighty dollar? It is because using cryptocurrency for money transactions allows them to bypass governmental and central authorities. Their transaction data is hidden and secured, and they for real resists inflation. But hey, with all these benefits, let's talk about its bad side. Cryptocurrency has been highly criticized for being used in illegal activities, exchange rate volatility, along with many other things. What is blockchain? So, the transaction has been done by thousands of different computers. Doesn't that make it insecure and untrustworthy? Like anybody can steal my coins? Well, for security, it follows a protocol called blockchain, and that's what makes it the most secure than traditional transaction system. And by the way, congratulations, you have arrived at your second destination, understanding blockchain. Blockchain is a database that stores data in blocks that create a chain-like structure. That's all about blockchain. For now, you will further get to know it as we go down the Bitcoin. What is meant by Bitcoin? Damn. All these concepts were really exhausting. Let's take a deep breath and dive into Bitcoin. Now you know what is cryptocurrency, right? So, for transactions you would need currency, in other words, a coin or something, that would have its own blockchain system for secured transactions. In here Bitcoin comes into play. It was launched in 2009, by an unknown group named Satoshi Nakamoto. It was the first peer-to-peer cryptocurrency of its time. For your information, it also holds the largest market cap of its crypto world, with reaching a peak of $2 trillion. I mean, that's insane. One Bitcoin is nowadays equivalent to 56,840 almighty dollars. But the high pricing is not the only reason why it's popular. Its popularity is because of its decentralized blockchain and secured and transparent transactions. In the early past, the price of Bitcoin was really been suffering from its ups and downs. In 2017, one Bitcoin was equivalent to $20,000, but just after a short year, it was then traded for less than $10,000. That was a shame for those who invested in it those days. How does it work? Bitcoin is the most popular for its peer-to-peer transaction. Let's discuss that now, shall we? To understand the working principles of Bitcoin, I would suggest clearing your mind cache and focusing on what I would be saying out next. For example, you live in New York and you want to send one Bitcoin to your friend that lives in Mexico somewhere. Now, what would happen is you happen to send it, a new transaction would enter into the database of blockchain. As blockchain is dispersed around the world, it would create peer-to-peer network connections between different active computers around the globe. Then these computers will be given highly intensive mathematical equations to verify the validity of the transactions. As the transaction goes down to the other computer, they create a chain-type structure with each different block representing a different computer, and at the end, the transaction is completed and your friend receives the Bitcoin. Now, if you have understood the concept properly, you would be thinking about what would these different computers get for completing the transaction. They would get rewarded with a small percentage of Bitcoin for participating in the completion of the transaction. Well, another for your information, these computers are called miners. Advancement in Bitcoin technology. Bitcoin was launched in 2009, since then the technology has been innovated, so that means the mathematical equations that are even difficult for computers, must have become easier, like technology has been innovated greatly. Well, that's not the case. Bitcoin technology has also been innovated throughout the years. Although their decentralized blockchain remains the same. How to earn from Bitcoin? Now that you have all the basic information about Bitcoin, it is time to earn from it. You can do it in several ways that I will be discussing also. Receiving as payment. The effective way of earning Bitcoin would be selling your products online while taking Bitcoin as a payment method, along with many others. The payment through cryptocurrency has really taken an edge in 2021. Work for it. Earning Bitcoin through this process is still in the diapers. Many organizations out there would pay you in the form of Bitcoin if you would work for them as an employee. Through interest. Another great way of earning more Bitcoin is through lending your earned Bitcoin to someone or an organization like bank, which will give you interest over time in the form of Bitcoin. But before you start interest, just keep in mind to follow up the reputation of the company. Mining. The concept of mining has already been discussed. Earning from mining was easier back in the time when Bitcoin was in diapers, but now it is merely impossible to mine. I won't suggest mining Bitcoin nowadays, just go for another cryptocurrency platform and mine there, cause they would provide value to your computer resources. Gambling. The last way of earning is through gambling. It is also a risky way of earning Bitcoin and is not recommended. Nowadays, many casinos offer online casino games, lotteries, as Bitcoin as their gambling currency. These were all the ways you can earn Bitcoin with. If you know any other way, make sure to mention it down in the comments section. Another cryptos out there. In the last of the video, let's discuss some other rising cryptocurrencies, which have surely taken over the market. Ether. Ether is a token that comes just after Bitcoin in popularity and price. Ether is operated by an open source software named Ethereum, which was released in 2015. It was released to get rid of downtown, fraud, and third-party interference. Back in the time when it was launched, it was based on a proof-of-work system, but it was then converted to a proof-of-stake system in 2017. It is also referred to as the fuel of the network. If you want the meaning of it, then I am sorry, it's a long topic and cannot be completed in this video. Cardano. However, Cardano is in the state of development, but this token will be released shortly, and that's what makes it good for investment in it. The team is trying to access scientists from across the world, so they could make their platform secure and working. It will consist of two layers, CSL, Cardano's settlement layer, and the control layer. It is also the world's first peer-review blockchain. Well, a thing that will be common in Ethereum and Cardano is their proof-of-stake system. The core heart of this new token is Ouroboros, which is a protocol and will carry out all the transactions. Dogecoin. Dogecoin was launched in December 2013, that is also based on peer-to-peer network connection just like Bitcoin. It is based on proof-of-work stake and is very similar to Litecoin. It is widely used as a currency for social media content like Twitter and Reddit. The interesting fact is that when Dogecoin was released it had a total market cap of $20 million and it was released just for fun, but it gained popularity and it had a lot of fans. Litecoin. On the last, we have Litecoin, which was created in 2011 by a Google engineer Charles Lee. Litecoin is just like Bitcoin, that is not controlled by anyone but a network distributed around the globe. It is the third heavily priced cryptocurrency in the world. It is based on the Scrypt proof-of-work system, where Scrypt means it is encrypted using a different and unique key every time. The maximum time required to create a block in blockchain is about 2.5 minutes, while Bitcoin takes 10 minutes. It is great for mining, unlike Bitcoin. Conclusion. I hope I made the idea of Bitcoin crystal clear. Now you have a little bit of an idea of what the crypto world means. If you think our video was helpful in any way, then press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay connected with us. In the end, don't forget to mention your thoughts down below.